Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love From Lizi January 2022 card kit just arrived. Can't believe we're doing 2022 card kits already. The theme is Many Thanks. I will have links provided in the description box if you are interested in the kit or any of the add-ons. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. You'll receive 3 alcohol marker friendly whites. There's a gray and also a black, and these are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. The pattern paper is all A4 size and it's single-sided. And I'm going to warn you right now, it is super shiny. I will do my best not to blind you with the foil and also my overhead lights. Now it is hard to see since I'm trying not to show too much of that shine, but some of the papers have a gold foil finish and the others have silver. It's beautiful paper though. Most of the papers are black and white, but there is a little bit of this dark blue. Also has some black and white little strips on it. The sheet is black with some gold polka dots. Here's a black with some silver polka dots. The sheet is white and it has long silver foil brush strokes. There's sort of a animal print in gold and it has all the little white spots. And this one is solid foil on one side and then it has a little splatter look on the end. So there's all the pattern paper. There are 4 sheets of A4 size vellum and the designs are very similar to the pattern paper. And this vellum is really thick. I've never used vellum that's quite so thick. You can barely see my hand through the other side. All of the sheets have either the silver or gold foil finish on them. Next we have the die cut pack, and there is a ton. Lizi has featured similar die cut packs in previous kits, and these are always fun to use. There's some journaling cards. Here's a sheet with lots of little banners or flags. We have some tags, and all of the pieces are punch out, so you don't have to do any fussy cutting. As you can see, there's also that gold and silver foil finish on many of the pieces. This sheet has a couple of party boxes you can assemble. This sheet has luggage tags or book tags. There's a couple small mini tags at the bottom. We have some fun bows. There's 2 different pieces. You can mix and match the designs or use one of the same design. Here's some gift card or little pockets you could add to your card or project. And on most of the sheets, there's also some punch out sentiments or journaling cards. So here's another sheet with the pockets. Here you can create a couple of envelopes, and it also has the little journal piece to put inside your envelope. There's another sheet with more envelopes and journaling cards. There's some small circle sentiments, more little party boxes, lots of different sentiments. This sheet is all punch out borders. So there's different widths, really fun to put across your card. And I'll just show you real quick how easy these are to punch out. So that's the last of the die cuts, and then we have 3 sheets of alphabet stickers. The first 2 are the same, and you have the full alphabet and also numbers, and I think there was a little bit of punctuation in there. And then the final sheet has really tiny sticker alphabets in gold and silver. Next we have the stamp set, and I love this set. There are 9 different fonts for the sentiment thank you. So lots of variety. There are 4 different stamps, kind of look like ink splatters. The one in the bottom left-hand corner, it looks like a highlighter. And the sentiments are designed to fit inside all of those different ink splatters or highlight area. The peel-offs this month are the straight design in the gold moon dust color. So they're all the same width, and it's about 1/8 of an inch wide. There are 5 dies included in the kit. We'll start off with the really large die. So this is fun looking ribbon, has little flower detail on the ribbon tails. There's a scallop die that fits inside that center. So you could add your sentiment to the center of the little scallop circle, or you could use this scallop circle independently. There's a sentiment that fits inside both the ribbon and also that scallop circle, and this is Queen for the Day. And then Lizi also included a couple of banners. I love banner dies, and these are a really nice size. And I believe most of the thank you sentiments will fit inside the banner dies. You'll receive your sample size of the sequin mix, super shiny. If you really love sequins, you can always purchase the full-size bag as an add-on. There are 3 different threads of twine, 1 meter each. There's black with gold thread, black with a silver thread, and a white with a silver thread. You'll receive a sheet of bling, and there's 4 different sizes in 4 different colors. So we have white, gray, clear, and also black. And the final item that's included in the kit are 10 teeny tiny little brads. And these are perfect to use for those die cut bows. So there's a few different colors in metallic. So that's everything that's included in the January 2022 card kit called Many Thanks. I also received a few add-ons. The first item are the 2 peel-off bundle packs. The pack on the left is the Variety Bundle pack, and the pack on the right is the Pinstripe. The Variety pack includes gold glitter in sway. We have straight in gold holographic, super shiny. We have the mini hearts in the gold mirror and the mini circles in gold moon dust. The Pinstripe pack includes the clear with the silver overlay. Then we have matte silver, silver holographic, and also black. I love Lizi's peel-offs, and you can never have too many in my opinion. The next add-on is the bumper pack. And I'm going to go through this really quickly. The pattern paper and the die cut pieces are very similar to what's included in the kit. So if you feel like you want more, this is a great add-on purchase. So you can see there's several of the die cut sheets. You'll receive the vellum and the pattern paper. Lizi's bumper packs are always very popular. It's perfect for those who want more of the pattern paper and die cut pieces. And the bumper pack has just as much of the gold and silver foil as the kit. The next item is the silver cardstock bundle. There are 6 sheets. 3 of them are silver mirror cardstock, and 3 of them are silver satin mirror cardstock. This is perfect if you want a little more shine on your cards. The final add-on I have is the pearlescent cardstock bundle, and this is always one of my favorites. There are 6 sheets. We have a black, a dark gray, there's a white with some gold shimmer on it, there's a cream, a white, and also a silver. They're pearlescent on one side, and on the back they're just flat white. Now here's another look at Love From Lizi's January 2022 card kit called Many Thanks. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available. It is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe, and I will have subscribing information in the description box below. Coming soon, I will have my card video using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.